Hey, I'm Caleb, and here's a quick look at the Stak miner. So to start out, we need to download the miner. To do that, we can simply search the GitHub page in Google, then navigate to the Releases section and get the zip archive of the miner. You'll see that there are zip and 7Z versions of the archive, which differ only in file size. As I don't have anything to open a 7Z file on this PC, I'm going to choose the zip format. After you download, if you have any antivirus software turned on, it can flag the miner as a virus. So I'll disable the antivirus and re-download. After the download is finished, I'll unpack the files from the archive simply by dragging it to my desktop. Okay, let's start the miner. Again, if you have antivirus software installed, it can detect the miner as a virus. It's a false alert, so you just need to add the miner folder to the exclusions, or just press Run anyway. On the first start, the miner will need to be configured. We'll go in the easy setup mode here. First, we need to enter the coin name or the algorithm name we want to mine. Let's say we want to mine Rio. Enter the mining pool and the pool port. And enter your wallet. This setup is based on mining Rio coin. If you plan to mine another coin, you'll need your three inputs here: coin, pool, and wallet address. Password in most cases is empty and TLS is in. The miner starts and we can see that the shares are accepted. If you refuse the simple setup, the miner will enter the advanced setup mode. First, enter any number as the HTTP port for ability to check stats in your browser. Then, we need to select the coin name or algorithm from the list. Say we want to mine Rio. Then we enter the pool and port and wallet address. Password in most cases is empty, and the identifier can be set blank too. TLS and NH in most cases can also be set to no. Now we'll add a backup pool. First, we need to enter the priority of pool we set before. Let's say previous pool will have a lower priority and the next pool will be a higher priority. Enter the pool address and port, wallet address, and set priority number 2. The higher the number, this pool will be used in mining first. Now we can see that the miner tries to connect to both pools and starts mining. Press H on the keyboard. We can see shares accepted and can already check our hash rate. In this part, we'll see some configuration settings not related to GPU settings. The first setting is our port, stat we specified when using advanced mode setup. To access your web stats, we need to learn our mining rig's local IP address. I'll check it using a Wi-Fi connection. If you're using a cable connection, you'll have it in an Ethernet tab. In browser stats, we can see the hash rate tab, pool connection status, and shares list. All of this information we can also get in Stak. If you press H, R, C on the keyboard. Next, we can edit the hash rate reporting time. For the sake of this video, I'm going to set it to 10 seconds, which is pretty fast. Once a minute or 5 is optimal for most cases. We can also set the log file to output miner data. This can be useful to submit if you want to debug troubleshooting or submit an issue to the dev team on the forum. CPU mining settings are stored in a CPU file. Though CPU is disabled when you set the algorithm as CN-GPU, there are other algorithms that can utilize it better. I'll show you how to set up CPU mining. A more detailed guide on fine-tuning will be released separately. On this system, I have a 3 physical core CPU, and let's say I want to run 2 threads for demonstration purposes. You can contact the team and share information on the Xmr-Stak forum. It is a place where you can find guides, report problems with compiling or running Xmr-Stak, or share your config. Thanks for watching.